Hello everybody, this is Tim Brasil with Stanley Martin Custom Homes. Today I am going to show you what we mean by electrical fixture install and switch and plug. You can see here I'm walking in the front door. Here at our front dining room area we've got the chandelier installed. The electrician's got his boxes here for all of your recessed trims, outlets, bulbs, switches. And what he's doing is putting all your trim rings on, your recessed lights, smoke detectors or carbon monoxide detectors. They'll be wiring up all your switches to your electrical boxes, wiring all your outlets to your outlet locations, and putting on the cover plates. See if we can find them upstairs and see what they have going on up here. See, we've got some more recessed lights put in, smoke detectors, carbon monoxide. More trim rings. We've got vanity lights. So that's pretty much it. You get the idea. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.